Throughout all of the changes, researchers at Western Michigan University are working hard, looking at the finer points of COVID-19. And it's all thanks to a local endowment. News 8's Kyle Mitchell explains how they're hoping to map impact through analysis. All new at 7.
The 5 projects range from studying the differences in state stay-at-home policies to how religious groups responded to the pandemic. Months into the pandemic, the impacts can be felt on almost every part of our lives. Researchers at Western Michigan University are trying to better understand COVID-19.
The COVID-19 response grants that Western Michigan has awarded were part of a competition across the university for people to identify problems related to the COVID-19 crisis.
Dr. Terry Goss-Kinsey, Vice President for Research and Innovation at WMU, says more than $31,000 has been awarded from the Meter Presidential Endowment. The research can be done remotely and will include help from graduate students.
To look at some of the things that other universities are not looking at, to play to some of the interesting areas where Western Michigan has particular expertise in religious studies, in public policy, in education.
The research projects look at the virus response from religious organizations, the long-term lung functions of survivors, education impacts on students learning English, and how online learning could impact higher education standards and accreditation. Dr. Matthew Mingus and his research partner are studying the factors behind stay-at-home orders and comparing the decisions made in every state.
So we're looking at factors like hospital bed capacity, cardiovascular disease rates by state, the political control of the House, political party of the governor, and all of these types of things.
Medical facilities
are so much more important.
So they established a pop-up.
This virus seriously.
And fancy hard work of our local.
The second phase of the study will look at what politicians were saying leading up to COVID-19 related orders and language used within them.
Essentially to try to see what kind of rhetoric did they use. Were they making the same kind of arguments as states who had already issued an order?
The Office of Research and Innovation says these projects were selected from many valid proposals.
There were far more quality applications than we could fund. And so, in fact, right now, we're going through all of the unfunded projects because they still had a lot of merit. And we're looking for ways to find external funding.
In Kalamazoo, Kyle Mitchell, News 8.